What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and here today with a shop with me in Walgreens. I came down this aisle, the seasonal aisle, and I'm seeing nothing but new spring and summer things. I wanted to start here because we have some cute decorative things. These pineapples really caught my attention, and these are jewelry holders. They're $9.99. Super cute. We also have the little pineapple tray, and we have the trinket tray with the pineapple in the center for $6.99. Let's look up here because I think we have another pineapple item. This is a wine stop for $5.99, and we also have an elephant, and we have a crown. We might have a couple other things. I think we might even have a dog back here. Oh, you guys, look what I found. A unicorn. Isn't that cute? And then we have a bottle opener for $4.99. We have all sorts of drinkware sets. This is a copper Moscow mule. It doesn't have the dents like this one down here. It's more of a brushed matte sort of cup. But we have all sorts of cute tumblers up here. We have this sort of chunky tumbler for $4.99 that's super cute. They also have it in sort of a copper. You guys, it's way up there on the top shelf. Too tall for me. And this is really heavy and nice. This is $9.99. This is a metallic steel tumbler, and we have a few different shades. And then we have some pretty glass mermaid water bottles. These are $7.99. We also have some gold stripes and some gold polka dots in the back. This is for brides. Sip Sip Hooray. It says it's a bride Sip Hooray tumbler for $7.99. This is $6.99 for the Bridesmaid, really pretty. And we have some bride flasks for $10.99 with the cute little tassel. And then we have some pouches, and they're calling these bride pouches. These are $9.99. These are nice, they feel pretty heavy. Again, these are $9.99. And then we have some little bridesmaid hair tie sets for $3.99. And a 4-count handkerchief set. It says no ugly crying. That's so funny. Those are $9.99. Down here we have some floral coasters for spring. It's a set of 4, and there's 4 different prints. These are by Modern Expressions. These are $7.99. This is pretty. This is a, well, it says it's glass, but it feels like it's plastic. It says recipe box glass floral. It's super pretty, and the floral is wrapped all the way around. And then for $10.99 we have a matching recipe book. Let's see if I can open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So it's blue on the inside, and we have the golden outer pages, and it just says ingredients and directions. And it's sort of a pretty cloth material. It's kind of silky. To everyone that loves elegant flower designs, I think this is gorgeous for a diffuser. It's in soothing sandalwood. It includes 1 glass bottle with fragrance oil and 1 sola flower, and you get 2.7 ounces. Let's see if we have any other colors. This one looks like it might be in a very light pink. Oh, it is. And this is in Mango Mimosa. That sounds really pretty. You guys, these are just so tastefully done and so pretty. This has to be one of the prettiest diffusers that I've ever seen. Again, those are $7.99. And then it looks like we have some new candles over here for $12.99, and these are big candles. I'm not sure how many ounces we get. 16.9 ounces. The cucumber water smells really pretty and nice. And then we have sweet pea and jasmine. These are both like really nice, you guys. This is kind of a light scent. And then we have some more matching floral items down here. We have for $9.99 this floral pouch, and it has a cute little coin purse. So cute. Let's see if they're all the same. I think, oh look, we have some polka dots. These match the water bottles. And it also comes with a little pouch, a little coin purse. Hello, gorgeous. And happy girls are the prettiest. We have some cute tassel keychains. I love cute keychains. We have a mini glass jewelry box that you could definitely DIY if you have a cute little sentiment, a little clear sticker that you want to put on there, or if you want to paint it with a little accent. I think that would be super pretty. We have an extremely jumbo Moscow Mule, and I mean jumbo. This is $10.99. We have some leather flasks here for $9.99. Here we have some basketball and golf related cups. Looks like these are some of the Father's Day things I'm guessing that they're starting to bring in. We have an army tool here for $7.99. We have a manicure set for $7.99. And we have some really cute golf pens for $9.99. And then we have a very small section down here for graduation. We have the famous Dr. Seuss You'll Be On Your Way Up theme. This is really cute and heavy. I know so many people love to give this book as a graduation present. I know I got one when I graduated. And then we have some matching mugs. I like the blue inside. Those are $6.99. We have the picture frame that says today is your day, your mountain is waiting. That's $7.99. And then we have some other little things here like journals, a Dr. Seuss plaque, and then we have some mugs here for grads like follow your dreams and congrats on your awesome new hat. These are also $6.99. To all the squishy lovers, you'll be happy because they have a lot of new squishies. Super cute. I know Birdy would probably love some of these. These are all new. Birdy has a lot of these that are bigger. These are kind of the medium to small size. They feel really nice. I really love this little one here. The little unicorn cupcake. She's super cute. We have Panda. This one's in Dollar Tree, you guys. Just $1. We have the cakes. The little milk cartons. So cute. What else do we have? Emoji. We have the Burger Cat, the famous Burger Cat. There's so many new squishies in here, you guys. Tons that I haven't seen anywhere. I like that we have some squishies in here for boys, because Gator really likes squishies too, but he just has a small collection. They've rolled out all the sunscreens and all the sunglasses. There are a lot to choose from. We have our bug spray, our scented citronella candles, water balloon, buncho balloon sets, and just all sorts of outside water toys and even pool toys, you guys. They have the water wubble. Gator wants to get one of those one day. They have so much. They have the little Zuru Robo Alives. I swim and walk like a real turtle. They have a few different varieties. They even have the goggles out, the floaties, so much, you guys. Everything for the backyard if your kids are little. Oh, so cute. Look, you guys. They have a giant-sized pink donut beach blanket. They have the donut. They have the pineapple. They have the pizza. The emoji. Oh, you guys, these are so cute. These are $19.99 here. I'm not sure about the size, but I know Walmart has something comparable for about $9.99. These ones are cute too. They have a giant rainbow cloud, giant mermaid tail. Those are all $19.99. We have the toucan, and these are Walgreens exclusives, I believe. We have a giant inflatable llama. Cute little beverage boats for $11.99. The banana beverage boat holds 6 drinks. So you guys, that's it for me on today's walkthrough here in Walgreens. I really love coming in here every time they change their seasonal items out. There's just so much to look at, and there's always a lot of fun items and a lot of great deals. So if you guys enjoyed this shop with me, please show me that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.